Meet Ramp Travel, a smarter way to manage business travel and expenses from booking to closing the books. With Ramp, you can control your company's travel costs before money is spent. It's easy to customize down to the little details, like setting precise controls for flights, hotels, and per diems. You can even set up to share a portion of your savings with employees when they choose options that cost less. As an admin, you can also turn on additional approval requirements if bookings are booked out of policy. When booking, you get Priceline's inventory integrated into Ramp's platform. And on top of that, there are no booking fees. The price you see is the price you pay. When your employees are on the trip, Ramp makes dealing with expenses incredibly easy. You can just text receipts on the go, and Ramp will automatically sort and match them. Receipts that are sent to your email are also automatically sent to Ramp. No more having a stack of receipts waiting for you at home. Once any spend happens, Ramp will check every travel expense and flag non-compliant ones. Admins can also access spend reporting in real time by trip, budget, department, you name it. No more making decisions on stale data after reimbursements come in a month later. Now let's talk about month-end close. Ramp reviews, sorts, and codes transactions for you. This means you'll be able to close your books faster than before, with 0 errors. And when you're all done, Ramp will directly sync your transactions and its details into your ERP. And that's it. You set the travel policy controls. Employees book in policy. They also can submit their expenses on the go, and you'll be able to close your books up to 8 times faster. With more time and money, you can focus on what matters, growing your business. Get started with Ramp Travel today.